so good, boys and girls. I'm taking a break from my YouTube videos and having a glass of milk and a cookie. Would you like to do an activity with cookies and milk today? All right, you're going to need some cookies and a glass of milk. And you might have a lot of different cookies at your house. I only had one kind. So I have vanilla wafer cookies and then two kinds of cereal, Cheerios and Frosted Mini Wheats. And boys and girls, today we're going to do a sink or float test with these. So if I had more cookies in my house, I probably would do that, like vanilla wafers, chocolate chip cookies. But if not, grab some cereal like I did, because I figured we eat cereal with milk and we dunk our cookies in milk, so it'll work. So here we go. Here's the question. Do you think the cookie will sink or float in the milk? I want you to make your prediction now. Remember, sinking is going to the bottom, floating is staying on the top. Are you ready to try it? Here we go. Vanilla wafer in the milk. What's it doing, boys and girls? It's floating. Okay, so if you predicted that it was going to float, you were correct. If you predicted it was going to sink, that's okay. It's still a fun thing to do. All right, how about trying the Cheerios? I'm gonna take a handful of my Cheerios. Here they are. What do you think? Sink or float? See? They're floating also. Wow, super cool. All right, last one, Mini Wheats cereal. What do you think? Here's the Mini Wheats. Sink or float? Oh, look what happened. They sunk. They're to the bottom. I wonder if it's because they're a little bit heavier and they have like all those little holes that could soak up the milk to make them even heavier and then sink to the bottom. And Cheerios are kind of lighter. They have a hole in the middle, but they're lighter. So I wonder if that's why they floated. That's a cool, fun thing to do. If you decide to try the milk, sink or float cookie challenge, send me some pictures on Seesaw.